So, elected officials, community members, my fellow Haitian brothers and sisters, I come before you today in two capacities. First and foremost, I come before you as the proud daughter of two Haitian American immigrants to this country. My parents came to this country over 30 years ago and have been here ever since. One of them standing over there behind the camera. I was born here because my parents came to seek opportunities in this country. Not unlike our Haitian immigrants, our Haitian brothers and sisters who went to the Dominican Republic. In other words, I am here as a second-generation immigrant. Secondly, I come before you as a member of a delegation of 9 lawyers who went to the Haiti-DR border 2 weeks ago to observe the current humanitarian crisis that is unfolding on the island of the Hispaniola. While there, I witnessed Haitian mothers fleeing across the border with their young children in old, dilapidated school buses overloaded with their life belongings. I witnessed Haitian fathers who had been living in the Dominican Republic for decades, who left their Dominican children behind to go prepare a place for them in unknown places in Haiti. And so, brothers and sisters, make no mistake, the current humanitarian crisis is no longer only a question about what is morally right. While the people who have spoke before me explained the reason these events should shock the moral conscience, I will speak about the legal issues. First, it is illegal to retroactively deny a person his or her citizenship based on race, or on any basis for that matter. It is illegal. Second, a systematic practice of collective expulsion, specifically targeting people of Haitian descent, is illegal as decided by the Inter-American Court of Human Rights. So now we know that it is both legally and morally wrong to do this. The question now is, what are we going to do about it? Make no mistake, the Dominican people are our brothers and sisters. There will be no successful solution unless we collaborate with them. The question is, how will we go about this now? Because now is the time for us to act. Any inaction on our part will be both morally and legally wrong. Thank you.